Welcome to the Crochet Channel, the best place in the world to learn crochet online. It's great you are here today because it is always a great day to crochet.
In this video, I will show you how to crochet a coin purse.
If you like crochet or chocolate, or you just want to be a nice person, click like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on your Crochet Channel videos. Yay! First of all, we are going to learn the basics of crochet stitches. So to begin, you will need to create a slip knot. You're done! And then crochet a chain. Next, let's move on to crochet a slip stitch. Next, crochet single crochet. Next, crochet half double crochet. Next, crochet double crochet. And the last one, crochet treble crochet. These are the crochet stitches you need to know. If you are ready, let's get started on the exciting crochet project. In this video, I will show you how to crochet a coin purse. Before you begin, create a slip knot. And then crochet chaining 24. 1, 2, 3. Keep continuing crochet chaining 24 and I will be right back. Now I have chaining 24. And then I will start the first round. We will crochet 2 single crochets in the second stitch from your hook, first, second, 1 and 2, and then in the next stitches we will crochet 1 single crochet in each stitch and you will have 21 single crochets. 1, 2, keep continuing single crochet until the end of the chain and I will be right back. Now I have finished with the 21 single crochet stitches. And then in the last stitch I will crochet 3 single crochets increase. 1, 2, 3, and then turn your work. We will crochet in the opposite direction of the chain in the next stitches. So crochet single crochets in each stitch. 1, 2, 3, and along the chain you will get 21 single crochets. Keep continuing and I will be right back. Now I have finished with the 21 single crochets. And then in the last stitch, the stitch at the beginning, I will add 1 more single crochet. So we have 3 single crochets increase. And I will join the first round, insert to the top of single crochet, yarn over, and then pull through will be slip stitch. So this created the first round, and then we will start the second round. So chain 1, and then crochet single crochet, chain 2, 1, 2, skip 1 stitch, and then crochet double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and then chain 2, 1, 2, skip 1 stitch, crochet single crochet, chain 2, and then skip 1 stitch, crochet 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3. So we will keep repeating this process all the way around until the end, and I will be right back. Now I am at the end of the second round, and then I will join to the top of the single crochet. But the third round I will switch to white yarn. Grab the white yarn and then pull through, and then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then crochet 1 double crochet in the single crochet, and 1 more double crochet into the single crochet that we have skipped. Next, we will crochet single crochet in the top of 3 double crochets. So insert 1, 2, 3, and then crochet 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and next repeat from this process 3 single crochets to the top of double crochets, 1, 2, 3, and then repeat from this process, double crochet in the space that we have skipped, 1, 2, and 3. So keep continuing this process all the way around until the end, and I will be right back. Now I am at the end of the third round, and I end up with 1 double crochet, and then join, crochet slip stitch at the top of the chaining 3, 1, 2, 3, then slip stitch, and then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, crochet double crochet in this one, 1, 2, and then chain 2, 1, 2, skip 1 stitch and crochet in the next stitch, single crochet, chain 2, 1, 2, and crochet double crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 2, 1, 2, skip 1 stitch and crochet in the next stitch, single crochet, chain 2, and then 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3. So keep repeating this process all the way around until the end, and I will be right back. Now I am at the end of the round 4, and I end with 1 double crochet over here, and then I will join first, second, and third, and then for the round 5th I will switch to green yarn. Yarn over, pull through, and then chain 1, crochet single crochet into the top of double crochet, 1, 2, and then crochet double crochet in the stitch that we have skipped. 1, 2, 3. Next, 3 single crochets. 1, 2, 3. And in the next one, we will keep repeating from this process all the way around until the end. Keep continuing, and I will be right back. Now I am at the end of the round 5, and then I will join slip stitch, and then for the round 6 you will keep repeating from the second round. So round 6 to round 13, we will keep repeating from the second round to the round 5th for 2 times. So remember, chain 1 and then single crochet. This repeat from the second round, chain 2, 1 and 2, and then skip 1 stitch and crochet in the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, like this, and then chain 2, 1, 2, skip 1 stitch and crochet in the next stitch, like this. So keep repeating from the second round process to the round 5th 2 times. So keep continuing, and I will be right back. Now I have finished at the round 13. Next, I will crochet round 14. For round 14, I will crochet single crochet in each stitch all the way around until the end. So for round 14, start with chain 1 and then crochet single crochet in each stitch. 2, 3, 4, 5. So keep continuing this process all the way around until the end, and I will be right back. Now I am at the end of the round 14, and then I will join the round 14. Insert yarn over, pull through, and then chain 1. Simply cut the yarn and fasten off, and then pull through. So after we have finished with the coil purse, we will add a zip. So we have a zip, and we add at the top of the coil purse. Congratulations! Now you have finished with the coil purse. Yay!
Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out the Crochet Channel for lots of exciting, easy, and best of all free crochet tutorial patterns, which you can use to create your own crochet pieces. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Be kind to someone today, and keep smiling until the next video.